Are you okay in there, Ming? Just hold on, okay? We're getting near to the veterinary, or I will refer you to the barangay. Maybe they can help you. Guys and girls, I cover the face of this cat because there's a blood. That's why, for you not to be able to see it. It's still breathing, guys and girls. Kitty, I hope you can make this, okay? Don't give up. You have to live. You still have future ahead. I wish you can still celebrate Christmas with your parents and with your siblings, just in case if you have. Stay put. We're getting near. Don't worry. I'll do what I can be the best for you, okay? So bye for now.